How to search players in Clash Royale. The first things first is access your Clash Royale application and ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Clash Royale. If you haven't updated one yet, so just go ahead to your Play Store and head directly to Clash Royale's application and make sure that your Clash Royale is updated. The next thing to do is access your Clash Royale and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, for you to be able to locate or find players, you have to at least join a random clan. So it is located at the right portion of this battle area right here, this one right here, which is indicated as clan. So you must at least join any clan for you to be able to look out for any players. The next thing to do is just to tap the purple icon at the top right portion. And then you have to choose onboard members. And here you can go ahead and scroll for a specific clan that you're looking for, and then just use this magnifying glass for you to be able to search for players. And that's it. That's how you search players in Clash Royale.